So once the flight is completed, we come to the office, plug the cars once again, just making it live ready for the next day. And then at this point, my team is start checking the exceptions. Within the web dashboard, there is multiple utensils we can use, but the main one that I like is the exceptions view, right? At this point, we can just take a look at all the exceptions that happen within a day range, as well as we aggregate it by location, so we only see it once. When we open one exception within a location, it shows all the license plates, LPs, we have within it. And we also have the inventory actions selections. So to each LP, we pretty much assign an inventory action. For the most part, if we find something in an empty location, it means that it's missing. So we go physically to a location, we validate the quantity, and from this point, yes, we are able to find inventory in empty locations while using the drone, while operating it. As well as, let's say for example, within the V&A sections, we have multiple SKUs, multiple shoe boxes. There might be one box that doesn't belong to the location, and because of the drone taking the photo and capturing that, we're able to see where it is actually physically sitting at, right? So within our WMS, we'll have to make the move as well, from whatever location the system might be reflecting to the correct one that we're finding it.